So yeah, 2 nights ago at the Battlefield 1 Sqauds stream, I killed myself in front of 150,000 live viewers. It was brutal. In case you were watching the stream, you may have seen this clip.
2-0 for the British Empire. If they pull this off, it would be the comeback of the century already. Not what you want to be doing with that gas mask. There we go, put it on, get into cover, and
oh dear,
oh my word, what are you doing?
That was a big mistake.
That was not good.
And yes, you can see me very clearly swearing and being very upset with myself right there, because that was the moment I realized not only did I kill myself, but I killed myself on stream. Very, very embarrassing. The Battlefield team thought it was hilarious, so they decided to tweet it out, but I wanted to add a little bit of context to this. What you didn't see on the stream was the build-up to the suicide. The map is neck and neck right now, and if I win this for my team, then we get to go into a tiebreaker round. It's 134 to 131. I'm playing a medic, and I'm kind of trying to rush over to the other objective, and I notice this horse guy is coming at me, and he's trying to sword me. I have no health left, no anything. I can't take cover from the horse, so I think I'm going to throw a grenade down, put a gas mask on, and I'm going to go prone in the grenade, and I get screwed up, right? The gas mask came off. Well, in Battlefield 1, you have to fish your gas mask out of your pocket, right? So it's not instant. It's not like Call of Duty or some other games where you flip it on and off like a switch. And not only that, but when you want to take it off, there's a delay as well. I'm actually using gas a lot. It's my favorite grenade. I use it all the time. These are clips from the stream where I used it very, very well. However, if you hit the button twice in rapid succession, it cues the action. So you put the mask on and then take it off almost immediately. When running and sprinting with all the horse and all that sort of craziness, I was trying to reload and sprint and jump and vault, and I thought maybe I accidentally canceled my gas mask being put on because I was doing too much at once, like I'm doing reload canceling with Call of Duty, right? I thought I did gas mask canceling, and I was like, oh no, so I decided to hit the button again, and I choked and I queued it for removal, so it went on and then it came off, and I had no health because I was trying to hide and regenerate my health, died almost immediately, embarrassed myself in front of the whole world, but at least it was entertaining. Or at least I hope you found it entertaining. I hope you found the context behind this video fun. If you did, don't forget to like, favorite, and subscribe. Drifter out.